Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Sumif and Sumif function in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So here I'm going to use Sumif with the one condition and Sumifs with the two condition, means multiple condition you can use in Sumifs function. So let's start the Sumif. Simply select the cell, use this equal to and enter the Sumif and select the here Sumif function. First range means criteria range. Criteria here, the product. Okay, so product range will be product column. So select the first cell, shift control down arrow to select the entire column. Use the comma, now select the criteria. Criteria is a product sofa. Then select the cell of sofa. Use the comma, sum range. So here I want the result, sum total of the sofa product, right? So therefore, sum range will be total amount. Okay. Simply select the cell, shift control down arrow to select the entire column, bracket closed and enter. That's it. The sofa total amount is 5,444,19 is available in this data. If you want to cross check, simply apply the filter on your data. Simply select the cell, shift control L to apply the filter. Then filter here the sofa product. So click on this filter icon and search here the sofa. So I just search sofa and click on OK, and here you see the sofa product is filtered. I just drag this amount and select all, and you can see here the sum 5,444,19. It means it's correctly calculated. Okay. So I remove the filter, same shortcut key, shift control L to remove the filter. Okay. So next, sum ifs for multiple condition you can use. Simply select the cell, use the is equal to and enter the sum ifs. Select here the sum ifs function. The first sum range. So here I want the sum of total amount. Okay. As per the two condition, year and product. So sum range will be total amount column. Select the cell, shift control down arrow, select the entire range, comma. Then criteria range 1. Here the criteria 1 is a year. Okay, year. So criteria range 1 means one. First criteria range will be year column. Okay. So simply select the cell, shift control down arrow to select the entire column. Use the comma. Now criteria 1 is a year 2023. Use the comma. Criteria range 2 means 2 criteria is a product. So product range will be product column. Select the cell, shift control down arrow and use the comma. Then criteria 2, the sofa, the product. Okay. Bracket closed and just enter. That's it. Here you can see the 1995.93 is a total amount as per the 2023 and sofa product. It means in 2023 sofa product total is 1995.93. Okay. If you want to cross check, simply apply the filter on your data. First here select the year. So I select here the 2023. Okay, then I select the product. So I select here the product sofa and click on OK. So 1995.93 is only one entries is available in this data. Okay, I just remove this filter. Okay, now I add here the one more entry. Okay, sofa. It's correctly calculated, right? Now I add the one more thing. Suppose 2023. I edit here the sofa. Okay, and you can see here changes. Okay, when I enter here sofa, see both amount changes because both product is a sofa criteria. Okay, now I filter again, shift control L, and first I filter the 2023. And now I filter sofa. Now see, total 2285.37. Same as here, 2285.37. Okay. So, and suppose if you want to change this first criteria, you can change it. Suppose I enter here the headphones, you can see the changes. Here amount also change. If you want here 2024, so I just 24 and enter, see the changes. Amount will change. Okay. So hope you understood. And here I show you one table. Here I mentioned some difference in Sumif and Sumifs. So number of conditions, one condition in Sumif as I just show you, and in Sumifs multiple condition applies. Okay, used when summing the values based on the single condition, used when summing the value based on the multiple condition. Okay, and Excel version Sumif works in all versions and Sumifs available from Excel 2007 onwards. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.